Hello friends, today I am going to reveal two tools that have changed the fortune of the industry. It has created billion dollar, trillion dollar industry. It has created human being. It has built character. These are such a powerful tools, very simple tools. You want to know? These are notepad and a pen. Yes, you must be wondering how it can do it. Yes, because these are the tools that helps you to put ideas. Whenever you get a thought or any thought, you must put into these notebooks or one of these notebooks. You should have always have some one of your notepad or a diary where you can jot down your thoughts. And especially you are in a creative field, or if you are a writer, like how Robin Sharma keeps advocating about journalism. So what he says is, whenever you every morning, you should write a journal. I don't know about that. Sometimes I do it, but I always keep diaries. So since I'm in a creative field and I'm a writer, so whenever some thoughts come, I always put these into thoughts. Sometimes I have many diaries. Sometimes a small diary I use, and at least at one point of time I have 10-12 diaries, and I use them. So those ideas may not be used in a current project, but if you have enough bank of ideas, you can use them later on, because our memory is short, and thinking happens when best, when you don't think about it. Ideas, creative people have this power, that ideas come from somewhere. You don't know where this idea come from. So whenever it comes, grab it. And how can you grab it? Make it your own by writing it. If you don't write it, it loses, it goes out of mind, because then mind is like a glass. If you have some liquid, say water, when you pour it out, only then you can pour in some new liquid or whatever things. Same thing happens in a mind. Unless you pour out, take out some thoughts, new thoughts then enter into it. So, and how can you, so whenever there is a new thoughts or some thoughts, when you write it down, it becomes your own, and you flush it out, that thought, and then the new thoughts come in. So that's why but these are said this is the most powerful tool, and this has really made a billion trillion dollar industry. It has created human, it has created superstars. Hope you understand that and use these tools regularly. Do let me know what do you think about this my video. Hi, I'm Bhushan Kumar. I'm a digital branding specialist. By profession, I'm a writer, and I run an ad agency called Creative Monk.